Hello friends, today is Tuesday 20th of December and we are here to see market क्या लगता है daily observations for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So as expected, market after giving us a particular support level in both the indices is certainly bouncing from these levels, and the bounces seems limited for now. And yesterday in our growth model group discussion, today during yesterday's morning message, I had categorically mentioned about this. The message was shared before the market opens at about 8:42, and I had mentioned that Nifty range was mentioned, then target of Nifty was not completed. Bank Nifty target of 43,100 is done. Holding February strangle for about 8% returns. Currently it is at about 3%. And we may see some bounce in market limited to 18,400 and 43,400 was my expectation for yesterday. Now there is also a footnote which suggests that with current Nifty phase we may expect a bounce limited to 18,400 for Nifty and 43,500 for Bank Nifty. Having said this, intraday action is important to trade. If bounce sustain, I will book the naked put buy positions and keep the strangle, the iron condor trade intact. This was my message. And then eventually I said there are two possibilities: bounce till 18,400 or it will be a test of 50 EMA on a daily time frame, and then after that it will bounce. That 50 EMA level was somewhere around 18,170 odd, right? So from those levels, if we can see now, so then I said it is likely to be sideways to bullish market. I think in brief I had also posted. See the positions that I booked yesterday. At opening I had booked certain put positions that I was holding, and I was holding 18,100 500 quantity, then 18,500 put 250 quantity, and some 5 Bank Nifty put, that is 125 quantity. It's a small position I was holding on to it, but then I could manage to square off this position in the morning, and from there the prices of this put went down. Okay, so and this screenshot is taken in the morning at about 11 o'clock. Till the end, this has saved me about 50,000 rupees. Okay, so let's go to Nifty first. Now see, Nifty after this particular fall, we were expecting this target. I'm still expecting this target. Not saying that it is done, but right now the market is bouncing, and the bounce can be up till 18,500. So 18,400 was yesterday's target. Now again we are expecting a target, can be another 100 points from here, but it will not be in a straight line. I mean, it will not be a one-way direction. There is a possibility, if we can take our path tool to get to know this particular trend. So it may so happen from here we have moved up till this level. From here we may see some downside, and then we might go in an upwardly manner. This is just a possibility. At this point in time, whatever is happening, the current level, this current low is very much important. Now this low is again important to us to maintain the Dow theory. Okay, below this we will quickly be reaching to 18,100 or so level, but as long as we are above it, we don't need to think about the bearish levels or bearish targets. We might open a little bit down, and then from those levels, midday somewhere we'll find some bottom, and then from there we should bounce ideally. The probability of 18,500 getting completed is pretty good, but at the same time the volumes are drying up right now. We do not have lot of participation in market, so the movement can be subtle and slow. Okay, that is one thing that I want you guys to remember, and that precisely is the reason why I have decided that I will not participate into this bullish run. But yes, after this retracement, if we get an opportunity, if there is a breakout above yesterday's high, I'll just remove this, breakout above this yesterday's high, then that will be a good level to go long, and in that case our target should be from this low to this high. So my first target will be 18,482 and the next target will be 18,550. These are the two targets that will help us remain in the trade. So I'll keep this as it is, and these are the two targets. Right, so this is my first target, and this is my second target. So these are the two targets that I'm looking for right now. Not interested in trading until this high goes, and if a 15-minute candle closes above this, then I will enter a bullish position, small bullish position, which will help me trade up till these levels. But let's take one day at a time. So we'll go by the flow. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, is showing similar kind of a scenario. Bank Nifty completed our target of 43,100, and from those levels now we are moving towards a higher level. Now again in Bank Nifty, this is just first leg of the fall, so it is far more important. So if I plot a Fibonacci tool here, we might see a bounce up till 43,489 and also 600. I'm not sure basis the open interest criteria or data, but if we go by Fibonacci tool, so this Fibonacci tool suggests from this low to the high. So the target comes to 43,525 and 43,640. So we'll consider these targets. Right, so this is one of my target. I'll remove the previous label so that the chart will be little clutterless or clutter free, as they call it popularly. Clone, and this is my next target. So these are the two targets we are playing. I'll not say for today, for intraday. We'll just go one bit at a time. I'm expecting again here as well, I'm expecting some retracement, and after a retracement we should again probably move ahead. The high and low is something that will mark the Dow theory boundaries. For now we are into a downtrend, and then after that this is like a lower high, and once this is taken out, then we will again change to Dow theory from a low to high, higher low and a higher high. That way the Dow theory is going to go. Just follow the Dow theory clue and it will take you in a right direction. Reliance again looks good. This looks like a higher low on a daily time frame. So again from these levels we should be able to see a bounce, steady bounce till about 2,650. That is again a possibility. Or maybe if we move higher than this, then in that case the target goes to around 256 is 50% retracement. So we'll go by this target. So this is what at least I'm expecting in Reliance. And if Reliance fail to do this, you know that Nifty has to be shorted at that point in time. But slowly I believe that this particular week, this entire week up till 23rd of December should give us a bullish kind of a move and a bullish kind of a direction for both the indices, both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. And because the bullish targets are not very aggressive at this moment, so I feel that the move will be little sluggish. This is what my expectation is. I'm not saying this is by the analysis, but this is what my expectation is. I can be wrong here, and if the move happens, if the move quickly goes above 18,500, then we can very well reach to 18,750 as well. But as long as the data is concerned, the OI data is concerned, it is not suggesting a very strong bullishness as on today. OI data is always dynamic and can keep on changing. So for a simple sake, let's say unless and until this 18,431 is gone, I will not take a bullish trade. And for Bank Nifty, unless and until this yesterday's high 43,440 is taken out, I will not take a bullish trade. So for next 100 or 200 points, we are going to trade for the bullish trade. But if we are doing a retracement, I do not want to get into the trade. So the strangle, the trade that we are doing right now, this is doing good. It's giving us some, I believe, 65,000 rupees, about 3.3% of the total capital that is deployed. And the trade is currently going on very well. I just want to be in this trade and don't want to do anything unless the market trend clearly defines so. Guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, do share with your like-minded friends and please hit the subscriber button. Thank you so much.